Hi students, welcome back to your Seesaw homepage. Now I'm going to show you how to read or listen to your instructions in two different places. So if you have an activity or an assignment to do, go ahead and click on the light bulb to find it. I'm going to scroll down and find the activity I'd like to complete. Here it is. I want to complete Foundations Dry Erase Dictations. So if you can, go ahead and read through your steps here. If you do not yet know how to read, your teacher may have included listening instructions or voice instructions where you can play through clicking on this play button here. Click on the green Add a Response button. Then choose a drawing tool like a pencil to write the sentence, "I like the cat." When you are done, click on the green check button to submit your work. Once I'm done listening to my instructions, I'm going to follow them. My first instruction tells me to click on the green Add a Response button. Let's do that. Once I'm in my page, I forgot what my teacher told me for my instructions. Now what do you do? What you can do is go straight up here where it says View Instructions. Let's click here. Once you click on that button, your instructions page will pop up right in your Seesaw response page. Now, if I can, I will read through my instructions again and remind myself what to do. If I cannot read, I have the option to play my instructions once again. Let's do that. Click on the green Add a Response button. Then choose a drawing tool like a pencil to write the sentence, "I like the cat." Okay, that reminded me of what I needed to do. I now know that I have to pick a drawing tool to write my sentence, "I like the cat." So if I go down here to the bottom, I see all of my different drawing tools. I have a pencil here, a colored pencil, a highlighter or marker, and I also have this really pretty sparkle pencil. It has a little glow feature. Okay, so I know that I need a pencil because I'm going to be writing. So I need to write the sentence, "I like the cat." So I would go ahead and begin. I like and I would go ahead and finish until everything is done. Once I'm done, I can review the instructions again and see here that I need to click on the green check button to submit my work. So once I'm happy with my work, I'm going to go to the right corner where I'll see my green check button to submit my work to my teacher. Now, once I've submitted my work, as always, it's going to be in my Seesaw journal. Once I go click on my journal, I can see my new work here, as well as all of my past work that I've completed. Now you know two places to find your Seesaw instructions. I hope that helps.